Okay, now we're going to talk about solving equations when you see division. I know there's more than one way to write division, but when you deal with algebra, the best way to write division is a fraction, and that's going to be the most common, 99.975% of the way they write these problems is with a fraction line. So we're going to learn that fractions are not our nemesis. They're actually our friends, and we're going to learn how to kill them. I know that seems a little weird, killing our friends. I guess the easiest way is just to show you. Okay. If you have a problem that looks like that, the bad part of that problem, you could do anything with that in the world, is the denominator of the fraction. Okay? If we didn't have that fraction there, it would be a whole number. It would be x equals 18, and we understand that the unknown is equal to 18. So what we have to do is we have to put this whole quantity inside a grouping symbol. We need to make this whole equation a group. And we're going to cross-cancel away the 3. And that's what I call killing the fraction. Because if I multiply this whole equation by 3 over 1, both sides, if I do the reciprocal, then I can get rid of the denominator forever, and I no longer have a fraction. I no longer have to deal with it. Okay? Because you know you can cross-cancel when you multiply, right? So those are gone. They turned into 1s when we did cross-canceling, right? We multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, and all I have left is x. I'm at my goal for algebra. X is alone. You see why we want to get rid of that denominator? It was really easy. So now all I have to do is the equivalent side. You know you can't multiply except fraction to fraction. Okay, so if I take 18 times 3 and 1 times 1, I'm going to get a fraction that is over 1. Can everybody see that part? Mm-hmm. Okay, 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 1 plus 2, 5. I would take this answer, but the best answer is to reduce it to a whole number 54. Because as you cross-cancel, I'm going to tell you you can just multiply by the denominator. Because it has the same effect. These cross-cancel, you take 3 times 18 and you get 54. And you don't actually have to deal with all those 1s down there. I just wanted you to see where they came from. Okay? We're going to do more examples. Okay? So here we go with some steps. So we start out by writing the problem. Step 2. Place the entire problem inside a grouping symbol. Step 3. Multiply both sides by the denominator or the reciprocal. So remember, the denominator's the bottom number, right? That's the part of the fraction that makes it bad. So we're going to multiply both sides by 10. Step 4 is cross cancel. That's here. Step 5 is bring down the extras. So I have my x, that's left over. I have my equal sign, that's left over. And the last step, do the math. Who can tell me 10 times 14, Kip?
10 times 14. I was going to ask about one word that I can't read.
Okay, that's not what the question is. Riley?
140.
Okay. I'll repeat the words. Okay? It's as simple as that. And we're done with video 2.